Okay, so here is a pair of Huawei FreeBuds 3 wireless headphones with a wireless charging case. So I will unbox this FreeBuds 3 from Huawei. So here is the box itself. And after this unboxing I will try to set these up to my iPhone and see how that works. And also compare them to my AirPods Pro and my normal AirPods. So check that out later in this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers, and also like this video. That will help my channel a lot if you subscribe. So let's unbox this. Remove some plastic. Here is some really nice for the box. Maybe you draw that out like that. Really nice. Very good. Like that. So that's the main box, and here is what's in the main box. Wow, magnetic. Really nice box actually. Very good. So let's try this. Magnetic like that. Nice. So here we have the charging case with the FreeBuds 3 in it. And these ones are black. Check them out later on here. And what's more in the box? Looks like nothing here. I don't think so anyway. It was. We have some, let's remove this first. Here we have probably some cable to charge them. Yes. A white one for that. That was kind of strange, I think, because these are black and the cable is white. I thought the cable would be black because these are black, so that was kind of strange. I think it's USB Type C, as you can see, to USB Type A. I think that was strange actually, that we have a white cable to a black case. That would never have happened if Apple has done these. I'm sure of that. What's more in the box? We have some instructions. And here are a code to download the AI Life app. But that one is only for Android, so I can't use the special active noise cancellation settings and so on, but hopefully they will work. But you can't do some settings for the active noise cancellation. But if you have these app on your Android phone, you can do that. And here are some barcodes, and here we have instructions, is my guess. And yes, it's instructions in different languages. So we don't need that. So that's what's in the box. So let's see the headphones itself. So let's remove this plastic first. Nice. It says keep the metal contacts clean. And that is for wireless charging. As you can see, you can charge these wirelessly, exactly as I can do with AirPods. Nice. So let's see them. Here we have the charging case. Nice design, I think. So let's open them. Open the box, and here we have them. Hard to take out from the case. Wow. Wow. The case is empty, and here we have the left one. As you can see, very much the same design as Apple's original AirPods, the normal AirPods. But these are black, and that's kind of cool. Looks nice. And here we have the right one. Looks really nice. I like the design actually. So let's start by comparing them to the AirPods now. As an Apple fan, I will compare them to my Apple AirPods, the first version, and also the AirPods Pro. As you can see, the case is larger than the AirPods, the original AirPods, and the same with AirPods Pro, but not as much because it's rounded, it's a bit bigger. Let's start by checking the AirPods, the original AirPods. This is the right one, so let's see the right one here. As you can see, almost identical design. The same length, the same head. The only difference is that this pin here is not merged with the head, if you know what I mean. As you can see. But very like the design of the AirPods. Almost identical design. Nice. Of course, the AirPods Pro is not the same design. We can see one. Here is an AirPods Pro, and as you can see, it's not the same design anymore. AirPods Pro is shorter and bended more and have a in-ear silicone tip on the AirPod. So that was a short comparison between the physical design of them. So let's see if we can pair this now with an iPhone. So let's see if we can pair these Huawei FreeBuds 3 to my iPhone XS Max. So let's start by going to settings of the Bluetooth settings here. Down here we can see different units. Doesn't seem to work because I don't know how. I actually don't know how. So I guess these can't work with iPhone. Doesn't look like it. So I did found a function key here at the side of the charging case. As you can see, the case is black, so I didn't see that first, but you should open the case like this and then hold the function key here. It's very hard to see in the black case actually. The white version would have been better for that. But if you hold that for 2 seconds, a pairing starts and you can find it on your iPhone. Now it takes some time to do that, so maybe I will do this again, but let's try. We click on the FreeBuds 3. And now it's connected. So it was quite easy to do that actually. So now I have some FreeBuds connected to my iPhone, as you can see. Really nice. So it's totally works for iPhone 2. It was because I didn't see that function key on the side of the charging case because it's black. So that was the problem with these. But now they are connected and can work perfectly fine with an iPhone. I'm so happy now. So that was cool. As you can see here, I have it connected here. My phone knows the FreeBuds 3 now. Awesome. So they work with an iPhone. So no problem there. We have 4 hours listening time when you use them without a case, and 20 minutes together with the case. So really nice battery life too. So I actually like these. The design is good. They have copied Apple a lot for the AirPods design. You can definitely see that. But if you have a nice design as Apple has invented with the AirPods, why not copy and steal that and do the same with their FreeBuds 3 headphones? So really nice. Okay. Bye.